Microsoft Advanced Role-Based Certification Curriculum prepares students for the certification exam and provides associate-level knowledge of Microsoft Cloud and business application services. To take the Advanced Role-Based exam, students can do that directly through Pearson, which administers advanced role-based exams. Institutions can administer advanced role-based exams by becoming a Pearson Testing Center. If you'd like your institution to become a Pearson Testing Center, please visit aka.ms/become-pviewtc to learn more. Students can also take an advanced role-based exam via online remote proctoring. To take an advanced role-based certification exam, exam vouchers are required to schedule an exam. Institutions have two ways of purchasing advanced role-based student vouchers. One, institutions can purchase academic volume licenses through Microsoft. Two, institutions can visit the Pearson VUE site to purchase vouchers directly from Pearson at aka.ms/pviewpricelist. With Pearson, individual students schedule exams through Microsoft without the help of a faculty member. A self-serve walkthrough is provided throughout the whole journey. Exams taken with Pearson are not associated with an institution, and any post-exam data does not go to the institution. We hope that these tips make the path to certification simpler for students and faculty. We are rooting for your success.